If Google Drive looks too small or too zoomed in on your browser, don't worry, because you can easily fix it with a few simple keyboard shortcuts and browser controls. In this video, I'll show you how to zoom in, zoom out, and reset the zoom on Google Drive Web so everything looks exactly how you want it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. This method works on the web version of Google Drive, and the key thing to remember is that you are using your browser zoom controls, not a special Google Drive setting. So if the page feels too big, too small, or just uncomfortable to read, this is the fastest way to adjust it. If you want to zoom in, the easiest method is to use your keyboard. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl and the plus key at the same time. That means Ctrl plus plus. Each time you press it, the browser zoom increases a little, so the text, folders, and interface elements will all appear larger. This can be really helpful if you want to make files easier to read or you're working on a smaller screen. If you prefer using the browser menu, look to the top right corner of Google Chrome and click the three dots. This opens the browser menu. From there, look for the zoom section. You'll see a plus button there, and clicking that will zoom in just like the keyboard shortcut. This is a good option if you don't want to remember shortcuts or if you're helping someone who is not comfortable using them. Now, if your Google Drive page feels too large, you can zoom out just as easily. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl and the minus key at the same time. That will reduce the zoom level and make everything smaller on the page. Again, you can repeat it until it looks right for you. If the interface was enlarged too much, this is the quickest way to bring it back down. You can also zoom out through the same browser menu. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go down to the zoom section, and click the minus button. This lowers the zoom level in small steps, giving you more control over how the page appears. And if you ever want to return Google Drive to its default size, there's a very useful shortcut for that too. Press Ctrl and 0 at the same time. That resets the browser zoom back to normal. This is the best option when you've changed the zoom a few times and just want everything to go back to the standard view. A quick tip here, because this is controlled by the browser, it usually affects the page you're viewing, not just Google Drive itself. So if another website also looks zoomed in or out, it may be because your browser zoom was changed. That's why Ctrl and 0 is such a handy shortcut to remember. So to recap, zoom in with Ctrl plus plus, or the browser's zoom plus button, zoom out with Ctrl plus minus or the zoom minus button, and reset everything with Ctrl plus 0. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.